Today we're in Paducah with Sara Bradley from Top Chef, and she is going to show me something easy, elegant, and all her own.
Yeah, so today we're gonna do a little avocado salad, green onion dressing, bacon onion jam, buffaloed cauliflower, and blue cheese.
Ooh, that sounds beautiful. Is this the sort of dish where you could pretty much swap these things out for anything?
Yeah, so we've done this every winter rolls around and people call the restaurant to ask, is avocado salad back? So we've done it in many different ways. So we just start by taking a nice little chunk off of the cauliflower, okay, like that. And to avoid wasting anything, we'll go ahead and cut a piece off here. That can be roasted in for our roasted cauliflower, and then the rest we'll just shave on the mandolin. So we have some raw shaved cauliflower. The buffalo spice cauliflower is just chunks of cauliflower. It's been roasted with a little smoked paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, olive oil, and we just roast them until they're tender. Try to get a little color on them too. You've got this green onion puree. It's green onions, scallions, parsley, the whole thing, the roots, the stems, leaves, just make sure they're nice and clean with some really good olive oil. And that gets done in the Vita, or what we call in the kitchen the Vita. So just a really high power blender, takes 10 seconds max. On and off. So it's just delivers a big, powerful herbal punch.
And something super, super easy to make at home.
So easy.
Would you say that it's easy and elegant?
Oh, it's super easy and elegant. Got our bacon onion jam. We start by sweating out the red onion, then we add equal parts red wine vinegar, brown sugar, let that cook down a little bit, and then we add chopped bacon that's already been cooked off so it's crispy, a little red chili flake, and continue to let that simmer. Yeah, so we'll start with our avocados here. If you just put your knife in there and just kind of spin it around, and then you can just snap it open like this. It's gonna look much prettier if you just kind of peel the skin off the outside. The last thing we'll do here is we're gonna just take our knife and cut a few little slices in the back of the avocado. We're gonna start here with a little green onion dressing.
And this is what you just made in the blender?
This is what we just made in the blender. Got that. We're gonna do a little salt, a little pepper, and then we'll just kind of toss it around so that it gets on all sides. Everything's ready to go. So now it's just assembling. And a good thing to remember is that this doesn't have to look perfect and it doesn't have to look just like mine. So we're gonna start by taking our sliced cauliflower and just adding a few of those pieces that she cut for us earlier right into these slits. So we'll have a few of those in there. Then we'll go back and have some of our buffalo spiced cauliflower. So we're gonna plate this all a little off center, have a little negative space. And this onion jam, it has acid, it has sweet, it has all of those things. And then we've got a little bit of blue cheese to top everything off with. And if you don't like blue cheese, you could do without it, or you could do a different cheese. You know, I just think that it's really nice, the earthiness of the blue cheese. Yeah. And then we'll finish it off with a few more little pieces of cauliflower. Just kind of tuck them in.
Cool.
So that's your plate.
Simple, elegant, and no one has to know how easy it was.